bus terminal and we're heading off to Pai. On our way to Pai in this little minibus behind. We've done about an hour and a half the journey. We've got another hour and a half to come, and we just stopped off here for a quick toilet break. Just arrived in Pai, been dropped off at the bus station, and now we're walking to our hotel, which is near the airport. Here we are at our hotel in Pai, JJ and J Gardens it's called, I assume because it has some very nice gardens. There's a pool over there, a saltwater pool, and then this is our little building here. There's lots of little cabins all the way down here. So if we just wander in, we have a fridge and a seat, beds over here. And then just we have an old-fashioned TV, and off to the right is the bathroom. It's just gone 12:30. We're at the hostel. We're waiting for the tour to come pick us up. We're doing a half-day trip. We're doing the half-day tour. We've got 9 items, 9 different places we're going. Finishing off with sunset at the canyon. So I hope it's going to be good, and hopefully they'll pick us up shortly. First stop, the White Buddha. The Yun Lai viewpoint. The Chinese village. Coffee in love. The bamboo walkway or bridge. The bamboo bridge. Actually, it's a walkway.